We've all been there, standing at a billing counter, card in hand, only to hear those dreaded words. Sorry, the machine isn't working. Could you try again? For a merchant, this isn't just awkward, it's lost business. Back in June this year, Razorpay POS unveiled something bold. India's first AI-powered self-healing POS device. A payments machine designed not just to process swipes and scans, but to quietly fix itself when things go wrong. And now, just a few days ago, Razorpay's co-founder and managing director, Shashank Kumar, revealed the first real-world results from thousands of devices out in the field. And the numbers, they're better than anyone expected. So what is a self-healing POS device? Is it really that critical to have them? I'll break it all down on this episode of Point Break. Okay, so what is a self-healing technology? It's exactly what it sounds like. Instead of waiting for something to break, the system is designed to constantly monitor its own health, detect early warning signs, and fix common issues, all without human intervention. Think of it as a POS terminal with a built-in doctor. It senses when the network is unstable, when the memory is clogged, or when the battery is acting up, and then quietly applies the fix in the background. No waiting for IT support, no restarting the device mid-transaction. So how does it work? The magic lies in real-time monitoring and AI-driven optimization. 1. Health monitoring agents. Software built into the POS device constantly tracks parameters like CPU usage, memory, battery health, and app performance. 2. Network watchdogs. The system checks for connectivity drops or slow gateways. If one signal weakens, it automatically switches to a stronger one. 3. App performance boosters. If an app freezes or slows down, background drains are cleared and memory is optimized to keep things running smoothly. And 4. Battery intelligence. Self-healing devices monitor charge cycles, detect irregular power usage, and activate power-saving modes or even flag a replacement when it is needed. In advanced setups, machine learning models kick in. They don't just respond to problems, they predict them. For instance, if a device tends to overheat before crashing, the system learns that pattern and fixes it before the freeze ever happens. It's like moving from a reactive system where you restart only after failure to a proactive one that quietly keeps things alive and smooth. In June 2025, Razorpay POS announced the launch of India's first AI-powered self-healing POS device. This isn't just a software patch, it's a full-fledged AI engine built into every device. Razorpay's system uses over 10 early warning signals to proactively fix issues. It has 3 specialized modules. Signal Heal, that constantly monitors network health and switches to the strongest available connection, cutting down network down errors. Speed Heal, that optimizes processing in real time by clearing resource-heavy tasks, making checkouts up to 65% faster. And Power Heal, that extends battery life by detecting irregular behavior, enabling power saving, and giving merchants up to 5 extra hours of uptime per charge. The goal is pretty direct. Fewer failed transactions, faster billing, and no interruptions during peak business hours. And here's where it gets interesting. Razorpay didn't just launch this in theory. They already measured thousands of devices in the field. Shashank Kumar, founder and managing director of Razorpay, recently shared the impressive numbers. Battery life improved by 12%, with the top devices running 4+ extra hours per day. Hard crashes dropped by 86%, from 13% of devices crashing to just 2%. Network errors fell from 61% to 14%, a massive 47% absolute reduction. And perhaps the most telling metric, 96% of customers haven't seen a single crash since the upgrade. One merchant told them, "I used to restart my device 3 to 4 times daily, haven't touched the power button in weeks." That's what self-healing looks like in practice. Technology so seamless, you barely notice it, but your business never stops. All right, so what is the big deal with this? India's offline retail sector is exploding. With rising consumer spending and foot traffic, checkout counters are busier than ever. But merchants consistently face the same pain points. 65% report network failures during peak hours. 60% struggle with app slowdowns, and battery complaints are among the top 3 issues across the industry. When a queue of customers is waiting, downtime isn't just inconvenient, it's revenue lost and customer trust eroded. Razorpay's self-healing POS aims to make reliability a built-in feature, not an afterthought. As Kunal Gotiwarekar, head of Razorpay POS, put it, reliability can no longer be a luxury. It must be built into the system. Now, Razorpay may have the first branded AI-powered self-healing POS, but they aren't alone in thinking about resilience. Innovity, this Bengaluru-based fintech was an early mover, introducing dual SIM POS devices with automatic fallover. If one mobile operator's network failed, the terminal would instantly switch to the backup SIM. Their Juno engine also auto-heals transaction sequence errors, ensuring devices don't get stuck in limbo. In fact, the company reported 30% fewer transaction failures with this approach. Then there's Pine Labs. While not branding it as self-healing, Pine Labs' cloud POS systems rely heavily on predictive monitoring and remote troubleshooting, reducing downtime in busy retail chains. And then there's banks and payment aggregators. Several banks use remote monitoring on their POS networks, though these are mostly reactive. Razorpay's AI-driven system shifts the model to proactive and predictive. The competitive landscape is clear. As merchants demand near 100% uptime, self-healing will likely become an industry standard. Of course, innovation always comes with hurdles. For POS self-healing in India, a few standout cases. Cost of devices. AI-enabled hardware may be pricier than basic POS units. Smaller merchants might hesitate until they see tangible ROI. Then there's network dependence. Even with self-healing, India's telecom infrastructure has patchy zones. Devices can optimize, but they can't create signal where none exists. Merchant awareness. Many shopkeepers treat POS as just a card machine. Educating them about proactive tech will be key. And of course, security. With AI monitoring device health in real time, data privacy and secure processing becomes even more critical. If these are addressed, self-healing could transform India's offline commerce experience. Now let's look at the bigger picture. Self-healing systems are the future of fintech hardware, whether it's ATMs, kiosks, or even payment gateways. The logic is the same. Automate resilience, minimize human dependency, and make failure invisible to the end user. India, with its sheer scale of offline transactions, is the perfect test bed. If self-healing POS devices can survive the daily chaos of a Bengaluru Kirana store or a Mumbai supermarket during Diwali rush, they can work anywhere in the world. And let's not forget, digital payments aren't slowing down. With over 14 billion UPI transactions per month, every second of downtime at the checkout counter is magnified at national scale. Well, it's pretty obvious that self-healing POS devices are more than just a clever feature. They represent a shift in how we think about payments infrastructure, moving from reactive fixes to invisible, always-on intelligence. Razorpay's move puts India on the global fintech map, not just as a consumer of payment technology, but as an innovator setting new standards. And with players like Innovity and Pine Labs pushing reliability in their own ways, the race for the most resilient POS device has just begun. So the next time you tap your card or scan your UPI QR code at a shop counter and everything works smoothly, remember, somewhere in that device an AI might already be fixing a problem before you even noticed it. That's all we have on this episode of Point Break. I'll be back with more such insights, trying to unearth the silent AI systems that are powering your everyday life. Until then, stay sharp, stay curious, and think AI, think AIM.